Hey guys, here we go. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I could make some time out to shoot this unboxing for all you Under Armour and Dwayne Johnson, the Rock's fans out there. These are the Under Armour Project Rock 3 shoes. Trust me, guys, there is nothing like this in the market. And here we go. Let's unbox. This comes with a Project Rock card, which with Dwayne Johnson's signature, and it says that we are all a project. We all have hopes, goals, dreams, and aspirations, and I've officially made it my project to help as many of you get after your goals as possible. Let's get after it and chase greatness together. And now let's have some fun. So let's start the unboxing. Let me take you through the shoes. Let me just open it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, looks like the shoe designers at Under Armour, along with Rock, have done a really great job to create the best training shoes in the world. They had PR1, PR2, and this is the third version of it. Yeah, these are Under Armour's best sellers and are extremely difficult to get one. But for all my viewers, I have ensured and made sure that you get to know about this exclusive shoes. Let's start from the external heel counter, where you can see the famous sign of the bull representing Rock. It shows that these shoes are basically made from the feedback of the Rock himself. And on the other side you can see the Under Armour logo, and it contains the advanced HOVR technology, providing stable base for training movements, leg press, squats, leg press, multi-directional exercises, movements, or upper body movements. It gives you extreme stability. Moving further down, where we can see we have the Midfoot Locking, which makes it fit like a glove. These are something which helps you. It holds you like a glove, but the material is flexible as well, so you won't face any issues as if it's just holding you too tight. No, it's flexible, and hence you'll be able to wear these shoes with extreme comfort, yet doing those rigorous exercise or cycling or whatever that you want, whatever is your goal to be achieved. So now we move on to the bottom of the shoes, which has a TriBase technology, covering 3 different contact points of the foot and making it extremely stable, as well as having a superb grip. And if you see, for the ankle and activities support, there is a good collar which helps during doing leg press, and great feedback received from Rock. And this is something which he suggests, that a suggestion to add the collar, which will actually help to avoid Achilles. So moving down of the shoes, here this is an extremely breathable and strong material. It's double knit and extremely durable, along with flexibility that it carries. Let me just, yeah. So if you see in the inside, it says blood, sweat, and respect. The first you give and the last one you get. And as we move on towards the laces are really firm and have a dual functionality system, so you get a 360 grip without a bite. It's really talks about the amount of detail the team of Under Armour and Rock have given to these shoes. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Project Rock 3 shoes. I really love this kind of quality and comfort the Under Armour as a brand has offered, and hoping to have some fun with these shoes. So that's it, guys, about this shoes. We'll come up with a long-term review of this product. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you really want to know more about lifestyle products like these. Thank you.